On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok direct message option not showing in less than 1 minute. So hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. So first thing you wanna do is open the settings, open the apps manager, go to the apps right here and then go to the TikTok. Now after you go to TikTok, click here on this force stop and then go down to the storage, click on clear cache. Go back again, click on the power usage details and disable the power consumption alert. Click on the app launch and disable also this option and enable it again, then click OK. Now click on this force stop, go back. Now you should go to the Play Store, and if you have iPhone you can go to the App Store, search for TikTok and you will find this update option. All what you want to do here is click on it and it will get updated and you will find the message option. Don't forget to like, subscribe.